Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for giving me a chance to present my article about personal pronoun ang in Minangkabaunese. I'm Yola Merina as a doctoral programs of linguistics at Udayana University. The reason why I choose this research because pronoun in Minangkabaunese are very complicated and pronouns are divided into 4 groups according to Mosai 1998. Group A, which is a spatial form like den, ang, kau, inyo, ambo, and denai. In Group B, which is the plural form of repetition and also appears in the lexicons of kinships and social standing like uni-uni, anduang, uncu, buyuang, pakia. Group C, which is a form of self-names that cannot be pluralized, such as abbreviation for self-name. Dain, it's from udain. Ninda atau nida, it's from uni linda. And the last is Group D, which is represented by noun awak that do not have plural markers, such as awak surang, awak tigo baranak. Well, if we talk about pronouns, it stands for noun traditionally than it is used for referring to personal pronouns. And also demonstrative, interrogatives, indefinites, relatives, and correlatives. For personal pronouns, are pronouns that can be used to refer to specific individuals, and personal pronouns can refer to oneself, the person being spoken to, and the person being spoken about, according to Syarial 2019. In Minangkabaunese also have 3 categories of personal pronouns. Seems like Indonesians. Personal pronouns in Minangkabaunese divided into 3 categories, like personal pronoun refers to oneself, refers to person being spoken to, and also refers to person being talked about. Well, look at the table 1 personal pronoun category of Minangkabaunese. In Minangkabaunese, like I said before, there are 3 categories and each category divided into singular and plural. For second person pronoun, in singular category, it's like ang, awak ang, waang, angkau, kau, awak kau, wakau, and mang. Ang and kau is personal pronouns which refers to gender. Ang for man and kau for woman. So personal pronoun ang, also a second personal pronouns refers to man who are equal or are referred to by a higher person to man who are lower. So it means that I give you example. Ang is used for man, the same level, the same positions, or from a higher person, a higher position to a lower position. But the phenomenon right now, ang is not used for men only. Women or female use personal pronoun ang when they talk with another female or women. In brief overview, this study investigates the change in the use of personal pronoun ang used by female, as well as the reason why they use second single personal pronoun ang when they interact with female interlocutors. About research method. This research uses qualitative descriptive. So, it refers to the qualitative approach of social constructive phenomenology. The data for this study is in the form of direct utterances from BM speakers. The data were gathered through non-participant observation and in-depth interviews with female youth and adult speakers from various professions. Well, a logic indicative approach to data analysis is used to identify, categorize, describe, and conclude factual and accurately. Well, now we come to the data. There are two data here, or two texts. The persons one, they have profession. The data or the text ones. It is a dialogue between two female. The profession is a student, and the second is the second text. The professions of these women are a teacher and also a headmaster. Now we come to the text one. Dima ang bali baju tu dan Yola membalinyo. Da ancak dasarnya do dan menyasa membalinyo mah. Ang bali se mode lain. And the second conversation onde ba so bo juo wak jo konco wak di sikoa tambah sehat ang mah gapuak badanang kinia. Alhamdulillah ang baa tambah pendek tambah padek kini mah. Let's see the personal pronouns here. Ang. Speaker A is a girl. Speaker B here is a girl as well. And also the text 2 is a woman and woman. But they use personal pronoun ang when they communicate with a female and with a female and also women. So in Minangkabaunese, the suitable pronoun or personal pronoun for woman and or female, here, it must use kau. But they choose to use personal pronoun ang. So the conclusion is personal pronoun ang nowadays used by female, from female to female. But personal pronoun ang also can be used from female to male. To man. And man can use personal pronoun ang to man. And sometimes man can use personal pronoun to woman. But it is almost never man use personal pronoun ang. So the problem is women shift the using personal pronoun kau into ang. So let's see why women, female use personal pronoun ang. They say it is an address term that makes their relationship close, not safe and distant. And also some say the address term ang is considered modern as well as a slang address term, friendly and trendy address terms. And the others say it feels familiar to use personal pronoun ang. The conversation is relaxed, there is no distance or gap, and it can help build communication harmony. And some also say personal pronoun ang show intimate friendships, emotional closeness, and also sounds relaxed. So based on these reasons, personal pronouns ang nowadays used from female to female. That's the conclusions. So here is the references about this article. Well, thank you for your attention and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.